Welcome guys, this is RK and in this video we will write a program to check whether a given number is Armstrong number or not. So what is an Armstrong number? See, Armstrong number is a number uh, which is, I will tell you with an example. Suppose we write 3 into 3 plus 7 into 7 into 7 plus 1 into 1 into 1. This means if we take a cube of every digit and sum up and we get the same original number, that is 371, then this is an Armstrong number. Okay, the cube root of every digit and its sum. So guys, let us code for this to check whether a given number is Armstrong or not. So here we have already initialized all our syntax, and here we have asked a number from the user which is assigned in variable a, and also we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 variables taken as integer type. Okay, so now let us begin. Original equal to a. What I did is I initialized a value in original so that our value will be not be altered, while a is not equal to 0. Last equal to a modulus 10. Sum is equal to sum plus last into last. A equal to a slash 10. So guys, what we did here is, let us check. Suppose we got a value. Suppose we got the value of a to be 371 from the user, right? And the very next step we did is we assigned a value in original. Now see, our original has 371, okay, which is unaltered. Coming into while loop, a is not equal to 0. A value is 371, which is not equal to 0, true. So now it fell into the curly braces. Now coming here, last equal to a modulus 10. We know modulus returns remainder, so in last we have 1. Okay, so now sum is equal to sum plus last into last into last. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 itself. 1 plus, what is the value of sum? Sum is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Now coming below, see, a equal to a divided by 10. When a is divided by 10, our value will be 37.1. But we know that we are dealing with integer type. We have assigned a to be of integer type. So therefore, our 0.1 will not be accepted. Now a value is only 37, which will go again to the condition and will check 37 not equal to 0, true. Again the curly braces, last see, now a is 37, last equal to a modulus 10. So a was 37, a divided by 10, our remainder will be 7, right? So our last remains 7. Sum equal to sum plus last into last into last. So we know sum value is 1. So 1 plus, see, sum value is 1. Now last into last into last. 7 into 7 into 7. Is it 300? And let us check what is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7, 343. Okay, so it means 344 after the sum of 1. Now a again equal to a divided by 10, which is 3.7. Being integer, 0.7 will be removed. A value is only 3. 3 is not equal to 0, again true. Last 3 modulus 10, the remainder will be 3. So last value is now 3. Now coming here once again, first RHS will be executed and then LHS will be assigned to LHS. See, sum, this portion, sum plus, sum value is 344. So sum plus 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. 27 plus 344. 344 plus 27, which is 371. 371. Now a divided by 10. So it will be 0.3. 0.3, and we know that 0.3 will be discarded. So a value is 0. A not equal to 0, the condition is failed, and now we'll come out of the loop and now we'll print. See, if sum is equal to original. See, original variable is not altered. original, original printf modulus d is Armstrong number. If sum is equal to, see, I mean this sum is equal to original, then is Armstrong number, right? And if not this, then else, right? Is not a Armstrong number, not a Armstrong number. So only two conditions we have. If it is equal to original, then it will be Armstrong number. If the original value is not equal to this cube root of every digit its sum, then it is not Armstrong. Simple. So let us check success. 371. We entered a number. 371 is an Armstrong number. Let us check another number. Suppose we took 2. The value of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2, 8, which is not an Armstrong number. So this was our code to check whether whether a number is Armstrong or not. So see you in the next video.